Hi Garden Gems, the Determined Gardener here. This is a hack for beginners. If someone says plant seeds, this is what most likely it's going to look like. Planting seeds for beginners is quite difficult. So these are my tomato seeds. They grew about 7 days ago, and just look how thin and stringy they are. You can see right here there's another seed that is supposed to be a cucumber. So I'm going to wait to plant this, but if you're a beginner, just skip this process because this is what you should be doing. Bam, that's right, bam, look at this. This is a tomato plant compared to this. Now, how did I get this? Just go to your local gardening center and they have these plants just like this. The vegetables, it's a lot easier to grow for beginners. You can just plant them in the ground as opposed to trying to grow them inside with just seeds. It's just a lot easier. What do we have here? We have a rainbow blend, also rainbow blend. This is a squash. And if you're looking to buy these cells, you should buy them like this. Don't get the ones that are just individual. When you are looking to buy these vegetables, look for a lot of them inside, like 4. This is a 4 container. Don't get the ones that are 2 because they are lots of times expensive. So you should not be paying any more than $3 or maybe $3.50 for a cell like this. If you're paying more than $3 or $4, $6, yeah, guess what? That store is ripping you off. So no more than $3.50. So if you are a beginning gardener, don't go and get these and plant these in here because it just takes way too long. Then after this, you have to put it in a bigger pot and it's just so much more hassle. Go and get this. This is a lot easier. It's easy breezy as opposed to this. And again, I'll show you some more of my plants. Here is a cucumber and you can see it's growing very nicely, and there's actually 4 in here, so you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. This is sweet banana peppers, and you can see I planted some already in my garden. This is beets. This is I don't remember, but scallions, broccoli that's growing, and some other stuff. But you can see I've covered it up with this. So I planted this about 3.5 weeks ago, and you can just see how big it is. I got it again from the gardening center. I did not plant it. So this is baby bok choy. This is collard greens, not broccoli. This is celery, and this is beets. Now again, if you live in a colder climate, you can begin to plant them, but just be aware that the warmer it gets, the worse it's going to be for these cold weather plants. These are cold weather plants. You can't start planting your warmer weather plants now. Tomatoes are warm weather plants, and you can see I have them right here ready to go. It has been a little chilly here in the northeast area, maybe around 65 degrees, so I will wait another week. But again, if you are a beginning gardener, don't do this. You can, if you want that challenge and, deal with all these stringy little tomato plants, but just go to your local gardening center and get them like this, and they're ready to go, and you're ready to plant them in the ground. Really simple hack that lots of gardeners don't tell beginning gardeners, and that's the reason why some gardeners say, oh my goodness, why is my vegetables coming out like this? Is because you're starting out too hard. Make it easy on yourself and just get these plants that are ready to go into the ground. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Subscribe, share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you got any good, useful information. Again, guys, happy gardening. See you in the next video.